Welcome to This Is My Architecture. I'm Christopher from AWS, and typically we're speaking to a customer, but today we're turning the camera on ourselves, and I'm going to be speaking to Karan from the AWS Solutions team. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me here.
Excellent. What are we talking about today?
So this is a solution that we built for our customers, and we call it the AI-powered speech analytics solution. And that is what we wanted to showcase today.
Excellent. And so how do we get started? How do our customers get started with this?
So this solution is built as a feature-rich call center solution.
Mm-hmm.
So as you may know, Amazon Connect is Amazon's managed contact center solution. What we will do is use a series of AWS managed services in AI and machine learning to add additional features to this so that companies can have a really feature-rich customer care experience when the users call in.
And this is completely serverless. So you can just spin this up and you don't have to manage any of the ecosystem whatsoever.
Exactly. This is all using AWS managed services. It's all serverless and it's all ready to deploy.
Excellent. So let's get started. What happens when a customer calls in?
All right. So when the customer calls in to a call center, it comes to Amazon Connect, which is the call center solution. At this point, Amazon Connect is going to take the audio stream of the person calling in and feed it to Amazon Kinesis video stream, which is a service that allows you to ingest live video or audio streams. What Kinesis will do at this point is take the audio that is currently coming from the customer and feed it into Amazon Transcribe, which is a machine learning based Amazon AWS service that converts speech to text.
Excellent. So you've got the stream coming in here, it's coming down to transcribe, and it's turning it into text. What's the purpose of converting the voice to text at this point in time?
Yeah. So this serves a couple of purposes. First of all, now we have a transcription so that when the call is completed and if you need to refer to it in the future, you have a ready text available.
Okay.
At the same time, it's also going to take the call text that is just inbound and feed it into a DynamoDB table. The DynamoDB is a NoSQL database, which is great for solving key value type pairs. So we are putting this with an identifier so that in the future you can isolate which transcript belongs to which specific customer call.
Excellent, wonderful. And so that's that one part of the ecosystem. What's happening on the other side?
Yeah, let's say on the other side, when a customer is called in, the agent at the call center is going to log into their Connect console. And what they will see is that they will get access to the transcript that we already talked about. But in addition, what they will also see is that if they want, they can see a translated version of this transcript, which is coming from the DynamoDB table. And the way this happens is using the service which is Amazon Translate.
Excellent, and that means that if a customer has, a customer's calling in, they're speaking in Spanish, yet the agent is speaking English and understands English, they get the ability to have that transcription basically at the same time as the speech is actually happening.
Exactly, this is all happening in real time while you're still on the call. So if you have a 24/7 call center solution and if you have agents located in different geographies, now this gives them that additional confidence of understanding exactly what the customer is talking about. And it also does a third thing. If you see here, we also have Amazon Comprehend.
Yep.
So Comprehend is another Amazon machine learning service which allows you to do sentiment analysis, keyword extraction, to understand context of what is being talked about. So from this DynamoDB where we had the transcript available, we are also feeding it into Comprehend, and this also is becoming available to the agent so that they can see things like, for example, is this customer angry? Are they happy with the call, how it's proceeding? And also additional context, like if they're talking about specific products or specific services.
And that's really useful because if this customer is speaking in Spanish and I'm an English natural speaker, I may not know this customer's upset with us at that point in time or incredibly happy at that point.
Absolutely. And what it all comes to in the end is that all of this is happening while we are still on the call. But once the call is complete, what we are going to do here is the transcript and the results from the translate and comprehend that we already have. We will feed all of that into an S3 bucket, which, as you know, is the durable data storage. So that in the future, you could run analytics on it. You can go back and check what the conversations were happening. And all in all, the combination of all of this results in a better customer experience when someone calls into a call center.
That's fantastic. And the good thing about this as a solution is we provide this as a CloudFormation script, so people can just spin this up themselves without having to create all the pieces individually, correct?
Absolutely. This entire thing can be spun up in under 30 minutes if you want to just deploy it as is, but it is also modular. So on each part, if you need to change it depending on your business requirements, all the code is written in Node.js. All the managed services have parameters that you can tweak, so you can make it your own.
Excellent. Well, this is a fantastic pattern. Thank you very much indeed for showcasing it to us.
Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you for watching. This is My Architecture.